Hello my friends, welcome back for another practice. Let's get started. Take your small babies and here we go. Inhale first deeply. Exhale. One more deep inhale. Exhale. Open your legs wider. We're gonna work right leg with right arm. So we're gonna kick towards the side, cross over, kick and kick and. Relax your traps. We're gonna work 20. Take a deep breath. Let's work. And 2. Your hands should work with your arm. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go ahead. 1, push. 2, 3, nice. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and release. Take a deep breath. The second one, we're gonna add some shoulders. We're gonna switch right, left, right, left. Keep your arms straight. Drive your shoulders backwards. Relax your traps down. Don't compensate with your neck like this. Try to have really good straight posture. One by one, and 2, 3, 4, 5. Strength cardio. 5, 6. Go ahead. 7, 8, 9, 20 as well. 10. 1. Keep pushing. 2, 3, 4. Nice. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Awesome. Good warm up. We continue. Adding some difficulties. We're gonna add some legs. Side lunge. Open your legs towards the side. Toes outside from here. We're gonna bend your left foot, hip drive backwards. In the same time, we're gonna open the left arm towards the side, reaching with your right arm close to your left foot. And then we're gonna switch, same thing. Left, right, left, right. If you want, you can touch the ground, that's okay. Take a deep breath. Exhale, here we go. Left, right, 20. Towards the left first. 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Make sure you drive your head backwards. 10, go ahead. 1, push. 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And back. Take a deep breath. You're gonna exhale. The second round, closer. Your dumbbells should drive closer only to one leg. Right, left, right, left. We're gonna add same tension in the glutes, hamstrings. Take a deep breath. 20, left, right. Here we go. 2, 3, fall forward from your upper body a little bit. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go ahead. 1, 2, keep pushing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And up. Awesome. Take a deep breath. You're gonna exhale. One more deep breath. Exhale. From here, we're gonna move straight into that. We're gonna drive your head backwards from here. Keep your lower back straight, keep your hamstrings tight, arms should be in front of you. Then, what we're gonna move? You will need to rotate your thumb a little bit outside. We're gonna drive your arms up, squeezing our upper back and down. Upper back and down. Make sure you're working with your upper back. Keep your lower back straight. You should feel the tension in your hamstring as well. Here we go. Take a deep breath. Very useful for your neck pain and posture problems. And 12. And 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 more. 11, 12. And release. Awesome. Take a deep breath. You're gonna exhale. One more deep breath. Exhale. Okay, adding difficulty. Basically, from here, we're gonna bend our arms. So we're gonna do shoulder press with leg elevated up and switch. Right one and bend, left and bend. What I want to mention is, try to not relax your elbows too low, so your dumbbell should be always on the top of your shoulders. I know the weight is not so heavy, but anyway, you should have really good technique. Keep your lower back straight, look forward, have good posture. Inhale deeply first. Let's work up. 20 totally. 2. Keep your arms straight. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go ahead. 1. Keep pushing. 2. Nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. From here, move your butt closer to the ground, flat back, elevate your arms in front. We're gonna work first only from your legs. Keep holding your dumbbells straight up. Keep pushing your lats, core, everything up. We're gonna switch legs one by one. So right now, the right leg is bended, left leg is fully straight forward. And we're gonna switch. Keep holding and pushing your dumbbells up. Here we go, 20. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go ahead. 1, 2, push. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bend your legs both 90 degrees. Keep holding your arms. From here, we're gonna lower your straight arms with your upper body, right? Your dumbbells should touch the ground, and then we're gonna drive backwards. 20. Here we go. And 2, 3, nice. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here we go. 1, keep pushing. 2, nice. 3, awesome. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And slowly up. Okay, my friends, take a deep breath. We don't have one more. And we're almost done. We did some core, we did some arms. Let's do some legs. And we're almost here. Inhale deeply first. Exhale. Right leg backwards, right knee on the ground. From here, I want you to hold this lunge position. We're gonna elevate and go drive down. Elevate and drive down. You should elevate your left foot not too high. It can be almost until you'll see that your leg should be fully flexed, but you should not fully flex your leg until here. Make sure you have tension in both of your legs. Keep your posture straight. Here we go. 12 and 1, 2, 3, nice. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 more. 11, 12. Okay, take a deep breath. We're gonna switch. Left leg backwards. Try to be really stable. Make sure with your left leg you reach the ground. And here we go. 12. 1, 2, nice. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 more. 11, 12. And release. Okay, take a deep breath. Exhale. The last one we're gonna do for our hamstring. So open your legs wider, toes rotated outside, dumbbells should be in front. And then from here, try to drive your glutes as backward as possible and bring them back. Here we go. 12 and 2, nice. 3, keep your lower back straight, drive your hip backward. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 2 more, 11, 12, last one, hold, 3, 2, 1, slowly up. Okay, my friends, thank you. Stay strong, keep working, don't forget, your body is your clock. Wish you all the best. Peace out.